lot of people ask, how do I get out of a depressive episode? Now, the answer to that, of course, depends on the severity of the depression. But I'm going to give you a couple things to play with that can be supportive for you. The first thing to understand is that depression is the ultimate form of disconnection. So one answer we know is to move towards connection. So we can think about people that we love in our life, and it could be an animal or just people in our life, and we can begin to wish them well in our minds. And just as a practice, and what you're doing is you're creating perceived connection. Again, the opposite of disconnection. Some very common and helpful things is to make sure we're moving our body. Oftentimes when we feel depression, we stop moving. And we want to make sure we're moving our body, getting the blood flow as a foundation in our life. We want to make sure we're really hydrated, taking care of our body. We're sending the message in that we're worth taking care of, which is, again, the opposite of the message we get from depression. And the final thing that we'll say here is that with depression, there's often a sense of hopelessness that's there. So we want to give ourselves something to look forward to. Put something in your future, a week from now, 2 weeks from now, tomorrow, something that you're looking forward to doing. This could be everything from a favorite TV show you're watching to someone you wish you're looking forward to seeing to a trip that you're planning. Give yourself something and your brain will have this invisible tether that will be lifting you up and forward. Obviously, take this all with a sense of experimentation, see what you notice, allow your experience to be your guide.